That is our skeleton, as Jamal just called it. Oh my gosh. So this is all they've did since we signed since we had the meeting with the builder. So they pushed the dirt. They still got the mountain of rocks right there that the kids jumped on. But yeah, they pushed it. Put the frame. Is it? No, it's not called a frame. What's it called? What's it called?
I don't know what you're talking about.
The foundation. I think they did the foundation. Let's see.
I don't think we did no foundation.
I think we got some wood out here.
Nope.
I think we got some plumbing. Oh my gosh, we got some plumbing. We got some plumbing. We got some wood. Oh my gosh, we have something.
Oh my god, we got wood, guys.
Okay. So our front door entrance. It's our garage. All this is garage. This is dining room. It's kitchen. Kitchen over here.
Living room.
This is the washer and dryer. This is our bedroom back here. And this is our backyard. This is our patio. Oh, patio. Girl, Keon.
Is this?
Keon just jumped onto the patio.
Backyard again. Backyard again. I gotta get this stuff out.
It's our backyard. And that's the houses going beside us. There's nobody on the lot over there, but they're building us and them at the same time. This is the back view of our house. Wonderful. Finally glad to see something going up, something happening. We are about, from my countdown app, I think we are less than 100 days away from closing if everything goes to schedule. So now we have 100 days for them to be done with everything. So yay! How exciting! How exciting! We came back the next day. They had put plastic over the gravel and over the garage. Today is what, Wednesday?
Yes.
So today is Wednesday. We just came out here, what, Saturday? Sunday. We just came out here Sunday. And they have poured the concrete. Let me get you a better view. I'm not gonna walk on it, I'm not gonna walk near it, but they have poured the concrete to the house. Take y'all around. This is the construction that's going on, so they're building other ones right now as we speak. We have this one over here, and we have this one beside us that they're building simultaneously. Okay, Jamal says that's for the sprinkler. Never built a house before, y'all. Not really sure. I can walk over here on this side. What we did notice was that each of the squares, how they were marked off, defined a certain room. So it was easier to see the layout of the home. This is the back view of what they done. So yeah, we'll give it a few days and we'll come back. Yep. Oh my goodness, they out there working. Oh, you can't see it. So we have a cheat when we turn coming in, like we can see our house from where we're coming in yet. So we saw that they putting up the frame. So we go the skeleton. Okay, Jamal says it's called the skeleton. You know I'm gonna say it wrong, but he gonna say it right. So y'all can see they are here working on a ton of them. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. It's to the point, man, that the road is just crazy. Even just trying to get down. And even after they finish building ours, there's still a ton more that they need to build. But that is our skeleton, as Jamal just called it. Oh my gosh. Look at them putting up their... Oh my god.
Hold on, this us right here?
Yes.
Hold on, now tell me, this house look a little big. I feel like I've seen this car 3 times this week.
We'll see it every week. So we are back. They have stopped for the day. And we're just gonna walk through the house.
This is the door. I don't know. Is it a big triangle?
I didn't touch it.
So this is the front door.
What's the door? Where's the door?
This ain't a room.
It's the front door.
That's the
Smell that new wood smell. This is the dining room.
Why does the dining room have a closet?
This is the dining room.
Why does the dining room have a closet?
What is this?
What does it need a closet for?
This is
Don't touch the wood.
a closet.
Oh, he lit down. That's gonna be an arch.
Ooh, look at that. I'm using
Yeah, but that's supposed to be open to go back there.
Well, it's just framing it.
Oh, okay. And then this is a closet.
Should have made the stairs.
It's the closet.
What's the stairs?
This is the kitchen.
It's one of the weird corner ones. Like
This is the kitchen. And this is our living room.
No, they go right there.
This is our slide door going out to the patio. Okay. We're gonna go back down the hall. And this is the garage. These are the stairs. Come back down the hallway. Then you come back down the hallway. And you turn this corner. And this is the boys' bathroom.
The tight enough, right?
You come back out And you come right here, and this would be Keon's room. And then this is Jason's room. And this is Jason's room. And then this is the laundry room. Come back out. Go down the hall. And this is the master bedroom. So this is one window, two windows.
And this is the bedroom.
This is the bathroom. My window over my tub. And this is our closet.
What's the bedroom?
And up. We don't have our upstairs yet, but yeah. So it kind of marked off far as like with the concrete, but this kind of puts it in perspective of what we got going on, because you have the skeleton up so you can kind of see which room is which room. So right now I'm standing in the hallway, and Keon's room is on this side and Jason's room is over here on this side. And this looks like, from the markings on the ground, this looks like it's gonna be Jason's closet. Jason's closet is gonna come out to right there. Keon's closet is over there, and then you have their two doors. So you have that, and this is a hall closet, and then you have the laundry room, and you have their bathroom, which only has tub, shower, toilet, sink area. Yep, which is the main bathroom. And then this is the living room. And Jamal said they put this frame up right here so that they can go up. They had to have something so they can go up, because that's supposed to be open. But they put a frame up to it. So yeah, this is the skeleton of our home. That's more lumber right there. So we'll come back
Next week.
We'll come back on, we'll come back next Sunday. And this is the sliding door that goes outside. Fireplace in the corner. And like we always say at the end of our vlogs,
JK over everything. Keep your head in the game.
always keep the bigger picture in mind, because the sky is the limit.
Like, comment, and subscribe.